And imagine you make a rose out of the apple jalebi. For making this apple jalebi, we need to make this batter. You're going to use the same batter what you use for jalebi to make this. Cut the apple into thin slices and then just roll it in the flour so that when you dip it in the batter coats well. And in fact, I added a little bit of corn flour to give it a crispy texture, orange food color in my sugar syrup, so that, when I make the apple rose jalebi, it will be nice and colorful. So here is the apple pieces. Take the apple pieces and add it in here, and one by one just fry it in the oil. When they are fried, they will come out nice and perfect. Just like a flower petals, these apple pieces will come out nice. A lot of people make a lot of efforts to impress their girlfriends, but once in a while you have to learn to impress your wife also. This rose is for the Queen Victoria. Each one of these apple petal likes get ready and put it in the sugar syrup the way we add our jalebis. After 3 minutes, just get the apple jalebis from the sugar syrup and put it on a plate. Choose whichever side you want and start arranging in such a way that it will look like a flower. If not a rose, it will look like a flower. So slowly arrange each one and make a beautiful flower out of it. We are going to make yellow cucumber pickle. For this, first we are going to take the yellow cucumber, remove the seeds and cut them into small pieces. This instant pickle is a super hit in my home right from my childhood, and in this we are going to add a little bit of methi powder, mustard powder, red chili powder and salt. So add all of this. Add freshly crushed garlic. So in a pan, add some oil. When the oil is nice hot, add red chili, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once this is tempered, switch off the flame and just let it slightly cool down and add it on top of the pickle. Mix this and you have instant fresh cucumber pickle. Just wait for 15 minutes and we are going to enjoy this. Now for making this tomato bath upma, some people call tomato rice as tomato bath, that is the thing, but in a lot of restaurants here in Hyderabad they serve tomato bath is tomato upma. So add oil. I am going to do half oil and half ghee. In this add mustard, cumin, add chana dal, some urad dal, curry leaf, wow, anything little bit of curry leaf will make it excellent, and add pieces of cashew nut, freshly chopped ginger, green chili, and in this, this is optional, onion, few people don't add it. In this, after sauteing it for a minute, add suji, that is rava. Slowly roast this rava till you get the nice fragrance. Add pinch of hing, salt and fry the suji till you get a nice aroma. Add 3-4 tomatoes and in this add hot water. This should not be dry upma. It should be soft upma. This is going to just finish in 2-3 minutes. A lot of people like to add tomato puree to get that red color. It's up to you. For me, the little bit of mashy tomatoes here and there will make this very, very tasty. So make it a little bit soft upma. Look at this. The tomatoes will get slightly mashed and also you will get that nice, rosy color. Perfect. Let it rest. I made apple jalebi for you. Take a crunchy bite. What? Huh?
It's too crunchy.
This apple jalebi. Fresh pickle. This yellow cucumber pickle is very, very tasty. Usually, I add it as if I'm having a curry. It is so tasty. Along with this tomato bath, this is just boomba boomba. Enjoy life to the fullest with every bite.